Good morning, boys and girls. Today's math lesson is on subtraction. Before we get into the problem, I want to remind you about some strategies that you learned in class and how you can use them at home. So let's look at our board. We have subtraction. The first strategy is your fingers. You guys know how to use your fingers. Use them when you're subtracting. Counters. In class, we use counters, and you may not have counters at home, but you can use all sorts of things. You can use Legos, you could use crayons, you can use beans, pasta, whatever you have at home can be a counter. Next strategy you can use is pictures. We all like to draw, right? Draw pictures when you're doing adding and subtracting. And the last strategy is a number line. So Mrs. Rhodes on this side of her board is going to write out a subtraction problem, and I'm going to show you all the different strategies you could use at home. So on Seesaw, you could pick one of these strategies to solve the problem. Here we go. So Mrs. Rhodes had 7 apples. I'm going to use the strategy of pictures. Here's my 7 apples. Remember, when we're doing our subtraction problem, we always want to write the equation to match the problem. So I'm going to make a 7. So Mrs. Rhodes had 7 apples. Her dog, Bandit, ate 5 of them. So how many am I going to cross out? Remember, we're subtracting, so we're not adding, we're taking away. Here's the subtraction sign. Bandit ate 5 of those apples. Do you remember what goes after the number 5? You're right, equals. Now let's count to see how many apples I had left. 1, 2, always circle your answer. 2 apples left. Let's go over the equation one more time. Mrs. Rhodes had 7 apples, Bandit ate 5, and I had 2 left. 7 take away 5 equals 2. Now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem using some of the strategies. Fingers. You all know how to use fingers. I had 7 apples. Bandit ate 5, so I'm going to get rid of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 apples left. Now I'm going to show you on the number line how to solve this problem. I'm going to start off at 7. I had 7 apples. Bandit ate 5, so I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to hop. Count 5 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did I land on? I landed on 2. I had 2 apples left. Now remember, when you go on Seesaw and there's subtraction problems, use these strategies. Bye, boys and girls.